So hello guys, this is Rahul Chaudhary and today we are going to perform a program, a very basic Python program using list. So let's open the program. Here it is, and the summary of this program is basically we are taking the input from the user and we are converting that all the elements that user have entered into a list, and then we are calculating the size of the list. So let's start. So first of all, we have here created a variable name user input in which we are storing all the elements that the user is giving to us, and there is one instruction given that when the user will input the elements one by one there should be spaces between them, so we can split them and we can take out a single element. Like in the next line, line number 4, we have again created a variable named user list where we are converting the elements that user have given into a list, because as we all know in Python, anything that user input or user gives, that is in the string format, so we have to convert that string into a list. So this line is converting that string part into a list, and this split is an inbuilt function in Python through which we can access a particular element or separating each an element on an individual level. Means if there is a multiple element that is given by the user, then we are, and there is a space between them, then we are taking out a particular individual element on the basis of that spaces. Like here it is given this portion. So this means the user input dot split on the basis of spaces. Okay, so moving to the next line, then in line number 6 we are just displaying the list that we have created, and then in line number 10 we have again created a variable called length where we are calculating the length of the list. This len, len, is a inbuilt function in Python which will give us the size or number of elements present in the list. So let's run it. So as you can see here, it is coming enter item separated by spaces. So let's give some items name like Ram, Shyam, space, Tonu, space, Monu, space, Golu. So I have given one Ram space, Shyam space, Sonu space, Monu space, Golu. So total, all total I have given 5 elements here. Now let's press enter and let's see. So I have given the input as a form of string. It has converted the elements and pushed all the elements into a list like Ram, Shyam, Sonu, Monu, Golu, and it it was possible just because I have given the spaces. If I have not given the spaces among the elements, then it will consider all the names Ram, Shyam, Sonu, Monu, Golu at once, and it will consider all that particular elements. Each of them will be not separated. It will consider all the element as one, and then they have given us the number of item in the list is 5. Okay, and suppose if I don't want to convert it, or means if I just want to display the size, I will I will take the input from the user and I will just display what is the total size or the total number of element present. So first of all, we will comment these two statement, and just we have to add here the split function, and here we will, yeah, it's done. So in this we are just taking the input from the user and we are splitting it into and we are separating each of the element, and again, and the line number 10 we are calculating that how many elements were present in user input, and we are displaying the size. Enter items separated by spaces. I will give that same Sham space Sonu Monu space Golu. Let's see. It's just simply showing us the number of items in the list is 5. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video.